Like, who the hell are you? What the hell happened to you? I'm making a baby. That's what happened to me. Hey, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh. It's been like, what, 6 days? In those 6 days, I've been dead, okay? Dead. Been feeling like crap. This morning sickness is kicking my butt, you guys. Kicking my butt. I feel like you know how you have a migraine and you just feel so ugh, and you just want to throw up and everything just light, everything. That was me, okay? Me for 6 days, and I'm so glad that I have my babies, my husband, my brothers, because they had been taking care of me, and I seriously had just been like everything just has me so ugh. Look at me. I look so like so bad. I'm back. I'm kind of controlling the morning sickness a little bit, trying like different remedies and stuff. Been talking to a lot of moms. They've been helping me a lot, and you would think I've never been pregnant before because of how bad this morning sickness is, but oh my gosh, it's seriously kicking my butt, you guys. Like, I'm seriously like hugging the toilet, and there's some times where I'm not even throwing up. But I just have that nausea, and I'm just like, oh gosh. Andres, easiest pregnancy ever, okay? And I think it's because I was like a baby when I had him. Easiest pregnancy ever. I would feel the nausea and I would go to the restroom, throw up, boom, come back and continue eating and continue my day like nothing, okay? Even if I throw up, I still have the feeling. I still feel disgusting. Even if I take a nap and I wake back up, no. Like, I have morning sickness. I don't know why they even call it morning sickness if you have it all freaking day. All freaking day. Just all, it doesn't matter. What time I wake up, it doesn't matter if I have a cold towel on my forehead. Woo! I'm trying B6 right now, and I want to get on here and record because I'm like, you know what? I'm feeling a lot better than I did these past couple of days. So I'm just gonna get on here, and we're gonna do it. And if you need to throw up in between, or if you feel crappy, just push through it because I miss you guys so freaking much. And I told you guys I wanted to do this. I wanted to share this journey with you guys. And I know you guys won't judge. I know you guys are gonna be like, girl,
it's okay. Just go throw up and come right back.
Anyway, so since I've been gone, I haven't been putting on makeup at all, and I've noticed that my nose looks really crusty. Like, you know how you feel when you have blackheads ready to come out, and when you put foundation on, you can just see it, or even if you don't have foundation on, you can just feel it, and you just touch your nose and it just feels so gross. We are going to be using the Global Beauty Care Black Mask Peel Off Charcoal Infused Peel Off Mask 20 to 30 minute therapy. And I got this at Ross for $4.99. You guys know I'm obsessed with their nose strips, so when I seen this, I was like, okay, I know the nose strips kick butt, so let's give this a try. And I'm pretty excited. And it's a peel off mask, so we're gonna be able to get off all that gunk on my nose. See, look at nose strips right here. You can find them at the dollar store, but sometimes you can't. If you can't, check your TJ Maxx, Marshalls. Yeah, they kick butt. I really like these ones that kick butt. Okay, so we're just gonna apply this all over my face, and I hope I cry, so I have something to freaking cry about. I'm all psycho, huh? I hope it makes me cry, but seriously though, let me zoom in. Let me see if you guys can see. Can you guys see? Look at that. Look how gross that is. Look how gross these blackheads are. Like, disgusting, Alexis. Disgusting. So I'm excited to... Ew. That wasn't an armpit hair. That was just my hair that was stuck in my armpit. Ugh. It smells like... Oh, it smells bad. Oh, wow. It kind of looks like tar. Like, you know, like the... Or is it tar? What's outside on the roads? Is it tar or asphalt? I don't even know how to correctly say it, but it looks and feels like tar. Like, it's really like, dang, and it's thick, you guys. Look at that. If you guys are sensitive to smells, pass on this because the smell really is intense, like very intense. Oh my goodness, like look how thick this is, you guys. Like, ugh. But I wanted my face to be really nice and have it stripped of all the nasty stuff I have on my face. Because not doing my skincare and putting on makeup for those couple of days, girl, you guys seen my nose? It's done some damage. Where it's like, what the heck, Alexis? Come on. You can do it, you know? I haven't shaved, so hopefully it rips it off. So I don't have to shave after. I'm trying to coat it really good, but it's so freaking like slimy. Not slimy, it's like, yeah, it's really like, I don't know, like tar. Like, look at it, you guys. I don't know how to describe it. This is going to be painful just because I know how thick it's going on, it's going to be painful. Okay, so it says to leave this on for 20 to 30 minutes. So for 20 to 30 minutes, I'm going to go watch, I don't know, Love and Hip Hop. I already finished Bates Motel. I was really sad how it ended. I was just like, going on. I'm gonna wait for this to dry. I'm probably gonna try and speed it up by just fanning myself. Hopefully it removes all the nasty gunk that I have on my nose. You guys seen that? It was disgusting. So I'll be back. Okay, so it's been a long minute, more than 30 minutes. Oh my goodness, this is going to hurt. So I know this is going to pull out a lot of stuff. I know this is going to hurt because even going like this, it freaking hurts a lot. Anyway. Oh, you guys, can you guys hear that? Oh. You know, other masks you can like really move your face. This one I can't. Oh, this is really gonna rip out my baby hairs for sure. Oh no, I can't even do that. Look. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh look, I just want to put water on my face because that's how much it hurts. Like I just want to put water on my face and just get it over with because okay. Oh, that freaking hurt. Okay, let's go on the side. It sounds like waxing. Okay, my stash wasn't that bad. Okay, now let's do. Oh yeah. Oh gosh, my whole face is gonna be red, I bet. Okay. Oh, okay, let's do the nose. Let's see if we can do the nose up close. Oh, that hurts. Okay, let's see if I'm trying to like get a good view of it. Pretty close to crying, but not crying. Yeah, I pulled out a lot of my hairs on my face for sure. Let me see if I can show you guys. Do you guys see that? Like it pulled out a lot of hair on my face. Look at that. Like all my peach fuzz gone. I didn't take off that much off my nose. But right here, for sure, look at all those like white hairs. That really did hurt. But my face feels really soft now. Freak it, we're gonna do the nose strip because I still see a lot. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, like I still see like a lot of white, a lot of blackheads. I need this face looking good so we could do a tutorial after. So I'm going to go wet my face and apply a nose strip. Okay, so I had to use a different nose strip. I don't know what the heck was going on with these ones. I talked so good about them and they didn't even work. Okay, so let's take out this one. Oh, let's see. Can you guys see here? Wait. I really hope it gets those ones that I want.
Wait. No, wait.
Okay.
Not careful. Not careful.
Oh!
Okay.
Oh, it did. Yeah, I'm fine, baby. It did get some. So I think I'm going to have to go in there with popping pimple things. So giving you guys fair warning to click out of the video now if you do not want to see that, because I really need to go in on my nose, and I'm really mad at myself for going so long, well, 6 days, about how my skin is and how my nose is. If I don't take care of it, it gives me a hard time coming back. So I tried using this nose strip. I love this one. I'm always talking about it. I'm always raving about it on Snapchat and Instagram. And for some reason, it just did not work. I don't know why. I used all three and I got it at Marshall's, right? Don't know what's going on there, but it just did not work. So I had to use a different nose strip that I have, and that one pulled that one out pretty good. Pulled out some good ones on the side for sure. I got this kit, and let me show you guys. This is going to be a gross tutorial. So I have this kit, and it's supposedly supposed to be for your blackheads. See all these ones? And you're supposed to be able to take your blackheads out. This was sent to me a long time ago, and I have played around with it here and there when I got like really bad pimples, but I stopped playing with it because I was like, I'm taking good care of my skin. Well, boom, I'm not. So we are going to use one of the instruments. Just to let you guys know, gonna zoom you guys in. Again, fair warning, if you guys do not like these kind of things, you guys can't stand to see pimples, please click out now because it's gonna get nasty. Do you guys see this one right here? I need to get this one out. Like, it needs to come out today, not tomorrow, not next time, today. Ew, let's see. Ew. Do you guys see that? Like, that's disgusting. Ew. I have some like up here. You guys see all that? And it's getting them because look, it's like at the end of the thing. You just push down and it just pulls it out. Like, do you guys see all the gunk that this has? And then pull it. Ew, you guys, did you guys see that? It just came right out. I just squeezed and then it just came out. It's so gross, but so satisfying that I'm getting all this gunk out.
More bottle.
Ugh. So I think that's all I can grab. So I'm going to go clean my nose, cold water, and put some ice on it for a little bit, and go and clean this with some alcohol, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is my nose now. Looks kind of red and beaten up, but all done. You guys don't see any more of the whiteheads or anything. Got those removed. Still looks kind of like Faya, but you know, it's a lot better than how she looked at the beginning. Okay, so that is how I clean my nose. This is something new that I did try out. Wouldn't recommend it if you guys are looking at Ross for a really good face peel off mask past this. The only thing about this was it was painful. I did remove a little bit of peach fuzz and that it smelled horrible. So if you guys see this and you guys are like $4.99, that's a good price. It is a good price, but it doesn't do squat. So I would definitely pass on this. I'll link my charcoal like do it yourself video down below and above if you guys want to check that out. It pulled out a lot more than this one did. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review slash how I remove my blackheads, pimples, whiteheads. Hope you guys enjoyed. I miss you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in my next video. If there's another peel off mask that you guys would like me to try, please let me know down below because I love peel off mask. If you guys recommend one or if you guys have been kind of curious like does it work, let me know down below. Te quiero mucho, you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.